I have often said that I feel like I am not an owner of this place, but just a caretaker in a long line of caretakers. I'm Leon Corse, the 5th generation on the Corse Farm Dairy.
And I'm Abbie Corse, I'm the 6th, and we are in Whitingham, Vermont. We're equally managing land and cows. If the land isn't healthy, then the cows won't be healthy, and vice versa, and it all is cyclical. So everything that we're doing is really devoted to trying to ensure that those factors are balanced at the end of every day. I mean, soil is everything. That's how we are all fed and maintained and have clean water and clean air.
So our growing season, our soil types, and our moisture are all considerations in how we farm here. And grazing is a really good fit because we're not disturbing the soil infrastructure. The cows are only affecting the surface of the soil and not what's underneath, like we would be doing if we tilled the soil.
Which we haven't done in
35 years.
Because we don't need any more rocks to pick.
Right. We believe that plays into the whole bigger water quality picture. What we do here is only one little bit of that, but we need to be part of the whole puzzle that protects water quality.